I will start by accepting the cookies to clear the UI. Then, I will make an initial guess of inception to establish a baseline for the target medium, year, and rating. I will click the search field, type the title, select the first result, and then click the guess button. Type card is green for Inception movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is a movie released after 2010. Red arrow up with an MBB rating lower than 8.8. Red arrow down. Action and sci-fi are correct. Genres green, while adventure is not gray. No actors or directors from Inception overlap. Constraints: movie, year 2010, rating 8.8. Genres include action and sci-fi but not adventure. Type card is green for Inception movie, so target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 2010 and has a rating lower than 8.8. It shares action and sci-fi genres but is not adventure. Edge of Tomorrow 2014 fits these criteria. Action/sci-fi 7.9 rating, post 2010. I will type the title, select the suggestion, and click guess. Type card is green for the Tomorrow War movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is older than 2021. Red arrow down and has a rating higher than 6.6. Red arrow up. Action and drama are correct. Genres green, while adventure is not gray. No actors or directors from this guess overlap. Constraints: movie, year 2021, rating 6.6. Genres include action and drama but not adventure. Type card is green for the Tomorrow War movie, so target medium equals movie. The target is older than 2021 and has a rating higher than 6.6. It shares action and drama genres but is not adventure. Dunkirk 2017 is an action/drama movie with a high rating 7.8 and fits the year constraint. I will type the title, select the suggestion, and click guess. Type card is green for Dunkirk movie. Target medium equals movie. The target was released in 2017. Green. The MDB rating is higher than 7.8. Yellow arrow up, meaning it is between 7.9 and 8.3. Action and drama are correct. Genres green, but history is not gray. No actors or directors from Dunkirk overlap. Constraints: movie, year 2017, rating 7.9-8.3. Genres: action and drama. No history. Type card is green for Dunkirk movie, so target medium equals movie. The year is exactly 2017. The rating is higher than 7.8. Yellow arrow up, likely 8.1 or 8.2. Genres include action and drama but not history. Logan 2017 is an action/drama movie with an 8.1 rating, which perfectly fits all current constraints. I found the target movie Logan in just 4 guesses. The breakthrough came when Dunkirk confirmed the 2017 release year and narrowed the MDB rating to the 7.9-8.3 range, perfectly matching this action/drama/sci-fi masterpiece.